Last year I had a scare. I was diagnosed diabetes 2. Now, that scared me. If I didn't have my vision, I wouldn't be able to stand here cutting up tomatoes. For me, it is just the most important thing. Carrots are very good for your eyes. It's a very rich source of vitamin A. Nuts, fish, vegetables, greens. Greens, very important. There are so many different reasons why you should have your eyes tested. It's one of the best investments I think anybody can make because it's all about health. If you have any of this list of conditions, they can actually find it early and they can do something about it. So it's not just going to have to see if you're long-sighted, short-sighted, not to do with that. You've got glaucoma, macular degeneration, you've got diabetes, you've got all these different things. And I'm absolutely gobsmacked what you can actually do now and what they can do, what is available to everybody. Why wouldn't you do it?